Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp record video not problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit, find here apps, tap on apps. After that go to search icon, search here WhatsApp. Scroll down little bit, tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. After that tap on clear data. Go back, tap on permission, allow all permission. Already my permission is allowed. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store. Tap on Play Store. After that tap on search here. Search here WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp apps is already updated and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now turn your power icon. Tap on power icon. Tap on reset. After update reboot your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Now go to your WhatsApp. Tap on this. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.